Century-old Jialing, the pioneer of the future. The world is changing dramatically. The rise of the Chinese nation is destined to be on a grand and magnificent scale. Jialing, born in the westernization movement of 1875, has always been at the forefront of each epoch, producing successive legendary stories all the time. The first well-known trademark in the industry, the first state quality management excellence winner in the industry, the first receiver of the China compulsory certification and the motorcycle production permit, and one of the China top 500 most valuable brands, and the list is not ending. In 1979, Jialing ushered in China's motorcycle industry by developing the first civil motorcycle in China. In 1981, Jialing signed a technical cooperation agreement with Honda, making it among the first enterprises importing foreign technologies. In 1987, set up the China Jialing Group. In 1995, 52 million A shares of China Jialing were floated on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. In the same year, Jialing was acclaimed King of Motorcycles in China, following its output of 1 million motorcycles, the first breakthrough in the industry. In 2007, the first batch of Jialing model JH600 BJ motorcycles with sidecar were delivered to the military for the first time, creating a new type of development combining military and civil applications. Jialing has three backbone businesses, i.e. motorcycles, special equipment, and photoelectric products, and has two core affiliates, namely China Jialing Industrial Co. Limited and Chongqing Jialing Special Equipment Co. Limited. As one of the largest motorcycle manufacturers in China, Jialing upholds its core value of sincerity, gratitude, concentration, and dedication, and unfailingly implements the entrepreneurship of being practical, innovative, and pioneering. Rewardingly, Jialing made significant achievements in business integration, market consolidation, and industry upgrading. Through an integration of administration by the group, the 5x5 manufacturing and marketing structure has been developed, which includes the 5 production bases with the integrated backing from management, R&D, marketing, and quality, plus 3 foreign factories and 2 marketing subsidiaries. Besides, Jialing attaches great importance to science and technology and independent R&D. Jialing has established a postdoctoral workstation, set up a state-level technology center, and developed model JH600, China's first proprietary large displacement two-wheel motorcycle, coming with 4-valve electronic injection, meeting Euro 3 emission standards, 170 km/h top speed, and many other technical achievements for the first time in China. A sign of Jialing's rise among the top motorcycle manufacturers in the world. With a wide range of products from 35cc to 600cc motorcycles, with hundreds of models including Jinhanwan series, Dulang series, special purpose motorcycles, motor sleds, and compact ATVs. Jialing has made a great contribution to forming and development of the motorcycle industry in China. In 2008, Jialing Group entered into an agreement with the local government to relocate the group to Bishan County. In January 2010, a splendid foundation laying ceremony was held at the new site of Jialing, starting the countdown to the overall relocation of the group. The newly constructed factory occupies an area of over 3,600 acres about 1.5 times larger than the present site. It is projected that the total output may reach above 5 billion renminbi in 2011, and upon the completion of the overall relocation of the technical reform project in 2014, the output may reach 10 billion RMB. The century-old Jialing, shining with 100 years of brilliant success and strong power, is certain to set the trend and impress the world. As a leading enterprise aspiring to be a renowned international manufacturer of motorcycles, light-powered vehicles, and special equipment, and committed to building its brand into the Chinese Harley-Davidson, Jialing will undoubtedly present another magnificent performance on the stage of the world motorcycle industry.